If we never use one of these tools, it's going to take some time to figure this out, and you have to read the instructions real careful. Use a matched wrench to remove the nose piece. This is a matched wrench to remove the nose piece. It goes on top. You take off the nut. Sliding sleeve and rotating out the bolt. This is the sleeve. If you hold it, you can see it going up and down. It's not going to come out unless you slide the sleeve down. See the other side here? And now you're going to counterclockwise, lefty-loosey, the bolt out. That taken me a little time to figure out, my very first time using this tool. I'm going to use a 1/4 20 thread. I'm going to repeat the process of putting this in. I don't have to push the sleeve down. Now I'm going to push it down so it can start to lock in. And now I'm going to let go. Then I'm going to take the sleeve on top, and this should fit in. I don't want to cross thread it. Then I'm going to take the tool, matching tool, give it a little snug. I have officially now changed my mandrel. And those were the 3 steps in the back, all ready to go. These are the 1/4 20 threads we get from the company, and we're going to figure out how to make a tap. You're going to drill a hole 9.1. You're going to take your rivet nut. It fits in there beautifully. Show you it's a 1/4 20 thread. This is the depth, I guess, on how much you sink the rivet. I'm going to extend the handle. I'm going to thread my nut. If I want it longer or shorter, I'm going to place on. And I'm going to do my best to pinch down. Boy, did that make a cut. It really did do its job, but not what I wanted it to do. This is my first time using one of these, so I'm entitled to make my mistake. As you could turn and turn and turn, this is what you want to turn, turn, and turn to adjust. And this will go up and down when you turn this. We'll try one more time. And rivet on. And you can see how tight that is to do. Use a little strength. Ooh, and that is a solid rivet. I had a little difficulty with my product because I used a very inexpensive piece of metal, a test sample, but I got my rivet on. This is everything you need for a Rivet FT607 tool. Let's get a close-up shot of all the parts and material. see what you get installed. A warranty card, the instruction manual, everything from M3, M4, M5, M6, M8, M10, M12, 3/8, 5/16, 10/24, 1/4 20, and 1/2 inch, as well as the one that's provided a 1032. You get some bags, so this way if you ever open up one of the bags and you need to find the loose ones, you simply just grab a Ziploc bag, place in, take a magic marker and write down 1/4-20. So this way you know what you have. Do your best to close everything up. Lock it up, and you're ready to go on your next This would have been a great tool for us when we were on our cabinets and we lost one of the bolts that fell out. As long as you learn how to use the tool and have the time to practice, you'll make this right for you. I demonstrated on how to put a 1/4 20 thread on, how to take the mandrel apart and put it together, and the rest is up to you to decide if this product is right for you. It's a nice kit, definitely indeed. I wish this would have had just a little bit more space for the packages in one area. On that note, I hope you enjoy your product when you get yours.